Up a whiskey November, from we bar the way to fly. She was in love with the pilot, and he was in love with the sky. And they played the moonlight serenade of the Cape York Peninsula, down the coast to the Daintree, Queensland, Australia, where you can go up the river in a beautiful dugout canoe. But don't use your hand for a paddle, crocodile waiting for you. And don't step on the death adder or tread into cattle poo. Just walk in the Garden of Eden with the big fella palm cockatoo. Papa whiskey November, from we bar the way to fly. She was in love with the pilot, and he was in love with the sky. Yeah. Now my brother, he works for Camalco, driving the big machine. My sister, she works in the motel, she washes his overalls clean. My mother, she knows the bush tucker, she knows that one, you know what I mean. And you could end up a dead fella, so don't eat the gidgee bean. Up a whiskey November, from we bar the way to fly. She was in love with the pilot, and he was in love with the sky. Hey, hey. Now they're talking about a space station to send up the satellite. They don't tell much to the people, but the people, they have the right to hold on to their dreaming, a nature world unknown, a golden opportunity to leave this old earth alone. Papa whiskey November, from we bar the way to fly. She was in love with the pilot, and he was in love with the sky. And they played the moonlight serenade of the Cape York Peninsula, down the coast to the Daintree, Queensland, Australia. Yes, sir!